At first, we thought it was just one island, but there's magic in numbers.
And this place? Well, it's so much more.
We thought we knew these waters, but it's a museum down here.
And through these caves, you uncover some unbelievable views.
Just make sure you snap a shot from up there. A hop-on, hop-off boat tour hits different when the locals lead the way.
We thought we knew dining experiences, but this is something else. By night, you can soak up the sights of the beautiful city under the stars.
And by day, you can get a thrill in a whole other kind of way. Adventure is out there. You just gotta paddle to it. Before, you can jump right in. And you know what they say, friends who leap together, stay together. The best way to explore the islands? Well, take your pick. Need a timeout? Turns out, flow state isn't only found in yoga barns.
Go off the beaten track and you'll find wine tastes so much sweeter. And the stories last longer when you pick the grapes straight from the vine.
So cheers to sunsets from a beach club,
A rooftop pool,
a 12th century church.
or even a cliff top.
We thought we knew how to sell it, but not like this. Come on! The best thing about it? When you think you've seen it all and done it all, there's always so much more to explore.